Peace and Sport is an international organization. It's based in Monaco, and we are supporting local actors on the field to implement program using sport as a specific tool. So we don't want to make and create champions, but we want to use sport, any sport actually, for education, social cohesion, integration of the kids. So the idea is taking the kids from the street, for example, using sport as a hook, and then organize educational activities.
Okay. If we relate this to rugby, what does Peace and Sport do with rugby?
We have different partnership. We have partnership with International Rugby Board. One of the first one is our program in Ivory Coast. So it's through the local actors, the National Federation of Ivory Coast, with the help of Peace and Sport and International Rugby Board. And the idea is using rugby as a specific tool for education.
Okay, and I know that you want to talk about the adapted sport manual. What is that?
It's a specific manual that we created with the help of International Rugby Board. The idea is how to adapt sport depending on the need of your community. So depending on the need of education and integration, you can adapt this sport or this sport. So you can do it with rugby, for example, to help having a better community, let's say. There is two parts in this manual. The first one is adapted sport, is how to adapt sport in general. And the second one is adapted equipment, is how to create sport equipment using local resources. So you don't need money, you don't need funds, you can use plastic bottle, you can use tire to create adapted equipment and to make sustainable your program.
Okay, and the IRB has 117 national unions, and some of those are from developing nations.
Yeah.
Have you had any conversations here with people about that?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah. First one, we had a conversation with the president of the Federation of Ivory Coast, the one where we have a program in common, and then we talked actually with the president of Burundi, Rwanda, République du Congo. To see how we can duplicate the programs that we have in Ivory Coast in their own country. Every time it's not going to be Peace and Sport program, it's not going to be the program of the IRB, it's going to be the program of the local actor, of the National Federation, with the support of Peace and Sport and the IRB.
Okay, and if we relate this to the event now, the IRB World Exposition and Conference, why are you here?
First point is to create awareness. We have a lot of stand and a lot of exhibition. He's talking about rugby, about performance, about training, about technical stuff. And the idea is showing another face of rugby. Is showing that rugby can be used as a tool, as an educational tool to educate children. This is first one, creating awareness, and second one is showing to some people that it's possible and it works on the ground, and they can duplicate, they can implement some program in their own communities. Can be federation, can be government, can be Olympic committee, youth center, and it works. And if they want, if they need, they can come to us and have our support to implement their program with the support of Peace and Sport and the IRB.